Oh. Stand. I have to figure out how this works later. Figure out how it works later, but okay, there we go. Memories of 2020. BTS. Another to add to the collection. Let's move you over here. Looks like this. Yes. Army Universe. Oh, they did a lot last year. I totally forgot. It's a photo book. Okay. I got Jimin! Handsome Jimin. This is a lot like the one from last year. Yep. Sure did. Got Jimin. Got all the youngins this year. Oh. Sticker. Stamp collection, I mean. So how many DVDs there? 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dang. 7. Nice. Here's a card. It's not. Oh, Jean. More photos. So handsome. WSJ magazine, Esquire. Oh, these are all magazine pics from last year. Yeah, they did release quite a few magazines last year. Time. And it says right here too. Wow. Oh. Wow, this seems so long ago. Black Swan. It was a good era. I miss it. It just flew by. I feel cheated because we didn't get a concert with it, but oh, sugar. Wow. Oh, it's a transparent. That's nice. Gimme. I think there's a few transparent of all of them. Whole photo book. Dynamite. Dynamite. Oh. Oh no. I think there's a few of those. Ching. Oh, this is a good error. I want a big poster of this. So there's about 7 DVDs. I'm gonna start slowly watching them. Table of contents. Are you, babe? Oh, here's another double. I remember this concept. It's like so long ago. Like so long ago. There you have it. The Ultimate Book DVD. Memories of 2020 for BTS. Where should I put it? Add it with the rest of these guys over here. And I got Jimin as his card.